and you measure the film. Okay, it's blue like this, but we got to look and find it now. I don't know what. I hope it didn't get thrown away because it was broken. No, that's an ionization. It looks exactly like this, but it has a bar right here that you put under the film light. Okay, so we have 2 sensitometers now. Oh, I bet you it might be in Nina's office. Anyway, all right. So, and what was the importance of doing this test?
Quality.
Reproducibility.
Processing.
Yes, processing. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, what do you guys have? Reproducibility. All right, come on up. You just put all that stuff back on the table.
Check backspace. Get backspace on top, right?
Okay, so we have reproducibility, which you use X-ray to expose a step wedge, and you're looking for consistency in your exposures. So this one shows you from 3 different rooms what the exposure looks like. And then you measure the densities with a densitometer.
Good. And what's another alternate way to measure that? To measure reproducibility?
With
I have an ion chamber. Turn it on, make an exposure, and it gives you a reading right here.
So you set the same technique consistently, you should get the same reading, right? All right, perfect. Ionization chamber, step wedge, right? Both of those. Okay.
Reproducible.
How would we measure half value layer? And what else?
the
Aluminum layers, yeah. Okay, who's else? You can put that in the back. What else? You guys go down.
Okay.
No one touch the table. Okay.
We're pretending a little bit with theirs because I don't actually have a mammal fan.
This is our pretend mammal fan.
Oh, it's not.
It has dots in it. See the dots. So you want to measure the dots, the fibers, the mass.
Well, the dots are the masses. But
The stars.
what do we call them?
Threads.
Specks,
Specs.
fibers,
Fibers.
and
Mass.
masses.
So like
Oh yeah.
That dot there is only to get your base density. That circular dot that's on there, that's not part of the masses. We just put that in there so you can see the base fog. All right, and what's the purpose of, how often is this done?
Weekly
Yeah, and what does it test?
to check the quality of the imaging.
Good.
Alright,
That's what you do.
Okay, what do you guys have?
Special procedure.
That's where you want to go to your mammal.
Huh?
That's where you want to do mammal. Your boob got in the way.
You got the perfect one to do that.
Okay, go ahead.
This is called the collimator test tool, and it tests the beam alignment.
And what else?
And this also.
Well, actually, that isn't. You stole that from you should have this.
You didn't let me finish.
Yeah. Who's got floral QC? That's yeah. You should have that one. There was a different one back there.
No.
That was
Yes. Yeah.
That's the one I thought that was.
Yeah. There you go.
Does anybody know about this?
You can tell.
No, I don't think it's there.
About what?
Called a Wisconsin collimator test tool thingy.
What's it called, David?
Collimator test.
A bar stool?
See the dot?
Oh, that's the one I was
Yeah.
looking
So
for.
you got 3 samples back there. Okay, and what's the requirement? It has to be within what?
2 centimeters.
Not 2 centimeters.
2%.
Oh, 10%.
Not 10%.
1%.
No, that's central.
2%.
But that was a multiple choice. I think you missed that question. 2% of the SID. It's only 2 centimeters when it's 40
40
inches.
inches.
Okay? All right. And then these two I didn't give to anybody. These are focal spots here. This is the star test. And this is the other one, the line fibers per millimeter. And what was the third type that we test this focal spot with? So we have the star pattern, the line fiber per millimeter, and the pinhole camera. Right, good. Okay, who's next? Resolution.
Let's go.
Yeah, I don't know about this. Alright, we're gonna be honest.
It's okay to be honest.
Completely confused here. Especially in regards to the digital monitor. Does anybody know what it is?
CRT.
That's what it is.
So what measures the CRT?
What's that handheld thing, right?
No, that's the handheld fluoro.
What?
A digital monitor, a computer screen.
Yeah,
So
that's
it's
the
right.
gun that the guy had on the screen.
No, that was the photometer to measure the light. This measures the CRT resolution, or digital monitor. So you picked the right film, you just didn't have the right cord.
Okay.
And so why do you pick the coconut? What's that got to do with it?
Yes, it was that.
Yeah, see?
High quality coconut.
So these, and what are these called?
So what the line pairs per millimeter?
That's how it's measured, but what's the actual instrument called? A Woma test tool. What are you measuring?
Resolution.
Resolution test tool. Exactly. Okay.
We know now?
Go ahead and go put those back. Who's left? Who's still got to go? Mark? All right, come on in. Just don't think because I don't call your name, I won't remember. Look at Christine's all trying to put it behind her. It's right here. Okay. You can take that with you.
It's like a bathroom
Okay,
tile.
so what are you measuring?
Resolution.
Of,
Lines per inches.
specifically, of the, look at your card.
Oh, fluoro.
Yes, that's what I was trying to get you to see. So show them that. That is a fluoroscopy resolution test tool, and that's what it looks like when you image it. You see the division here and the division there? See how it matches up? Okay, what else you got, Narita?
I don't know.
Okay, what does this look like that we just went over? It has little bars. I didn't get the bars out, but it has little bars that go in and out here. What is that measured regarding fluoroscopy?
Is that the pink cushion thing?
Yeah, the shutters, the fluoro shutters. So they have little bars that you can set the size of the fluoroscopy shutter and then make an image and make sure it's within the size of the whatever size you put there. So that both of these are fluoroscopy test tools. That one measures shutters. This one just measures resolution. Resolution of what? What are we measuring from that? But of what component? Yes, the II. Good. Because as the II starts to decay, you're going to lose resolution. This could also potentially measure the screen, the monitor, because if you're not seeing a clear image on the monitor, it could also show up blurry there when you're doing the fluoro. Follow? Okay, good. Christine. Who still needs to go? Wayne? Yep. You guys the last? Did everybody else go?
Do it double.
Just let's work together.
Okay, so what do you got?
We have mass linearity. Sophia, carry on.
So we want to make sure that MA and the changes of MA in seconds are equivalent, are the same. And this is the
Stepwedge,
stepwedge.
different densities, different rooms, and this is an ionization chamber that can also measure mass linearity.
Right. Perfect. Okay, good. See, you knew more than you thought you knew. Okay, and
The timer.
Joe,
The time stuff.
the time stuff. Go write the formulas down.
Times type of generator.
Okay, what does this do? What does this measure? Okay, what is this instrument called? This part? No, this is the densitometer. What is the
Spinning top.
spinning top? Yes. And what does it test? Timer. Is it single phase or three phase?
Single.
Usually, but we can't test three phase if you can spin it long enough. What do we use for a three phase? Yeah, an electronic timer.
It's number of dots?
Yes. So single phase is number of dots.
Number of relation for the three phase.
And then what do we change for three phase?
Just the angle is 360.
Well, the time's the same.
8 times 3 multiply 360
equals angulation.
and angulation.
Good, perfect. All right. Did we get everything?
Yep.
All right, good. Did this help? Kind of put it all together? Yeah? I know we're running a little bit over, but that was what last year told me. They liked being able to manipulate it and see this stuff. It puts it more into sitting here with me pointing at a screen. Okay, go ahead and